In this video, we are diving into ITagPro.com. You've probably seen ads for the ITagPro, that small, sleek, smart tracking device that claims to help you keep track of everything from keys and wallets to pets and bags. According to their website, it's America's #1 rated tracker, offering real-time tracking, theft prevention, and peace of mind, all packed into one compact gadget. But the question is, does it live up to the hype, or is this just another over-marketed device? Let's get into it. The concept sounds great. A device you can attach to almost anything paired with an app that shows you exactly where it is. Who wouldn't want that? But when we look deeper, a few things didn't sit right. First, let's talk about the hardware itself. Devices nearly identical to the ITagPro can be found on Chinese platforms like AliExpress for $5 to $10. It's likely that ITagPro is a white-labeled product, meaning it's the same cheap device just rebranded and sold at a premium. That's not always a bad thing, but it raises questions about quality, support, and whether you're paying for value or just clever marketing. Second, and more importantly, there's no direct link to a mobile app on their website. If you're selling a tracking device, the app is just as important as the tracker. No app, no tracking. It's that simple. Even worse, there's no mention of privacy policies, data protection, or compliance with basic standards like GDPR. That's a huge red flag, especially with something that could potentially collect your location data. Now let's talk about the exaggerated claims. They advertise real-time GPS tracking, but from what we've seen, this device runs on Bluetooth, meaning it only works within a limited range, typically 30 to 50 feet. That's a big difference from true GPS tracking, which works globally, so the claim of preventing theft instantly or finding lost pets might be misleading. And those glowing reviews, most of them look suspicious. Generic first names, no user photos, no timestamps. There's no proof those 8,000 plus happy customers even exist. It's the kind of marketing language that sounds good but doesn't hold up under scrutiny. So, what's the verdict? We're not saying ITagPro is an outright scam, but the red flags are hard to ignore. It's likely a drop-shipped or rebranded product paired with exaggerated claims and limited transparency. If you're looking for a smart tracker, there are more reputable options out there from established brands with verified apps and real user feedback. Thanks for watching.